fantastic networking event, and Blue Mountains Hospitality Consulting is delighted to be a gold sponsor for AHICE, and we're just thrilled to be launching our new consulting division on such an auspicious occasion.
Oh, look, very much looking forward to it, and great to be in Melbourne. And we have about 20 franchisees coming tomorrow, so and they're looking forward to hearing what everyone's got to say.
Oh mate, I reckon it's a fantastic event. It's great to see such a fantastic turn up here. There's got to be a couple hundred people in here, so I'm glad everyone's having a great time.
I think in the respect that both delegates and suppliers are completely respectful of one another, makes this a really special day. And it's the most significant day in our industry. I think it's the networking, it's the calibre and quality of both delegates and suppliers that come together. And yeah, we love it. We love being a part of it.